Hey YouTube, hope you're having a great day. So all this stuff I have in front of me, these are the ingredients to make homemade laundry detergent. And that's what we're going to do today. So stick around to the end of the video so you see how it works. Okay, so let's talk about how we're going to make our soap, our ingredients. This is laundry soap. It is 14.1 ounces. This is the Zote. The only thing you have to measure is your Arm&Hammer baking soda. This is going to be 2 cups of this. We're going to use Arm&Hammer laundry soap, and this is the whole entire box is going to go in. Borax. This is just a natural. We mine it here in this country. We're going to use this entire box. And if you want to make this stuff, start looking for the ingredients now. We literally found this at our 5th stop. Everybody is out of stock. And this is powdered bleach, basically. Usually we get the tubs. They're 3-pound tubs. They do not have any of those. We got this at the dollar store, or the $1.25 store now. And we need 2 3-pound buckets of it, so we have a total of 6 pounds here with this right here, and it's real super simple. So I'm going to go ahead and get this chopped up and show you what's going to happen next when I get the soap chopped up, because this right here needs to go into the blender. Okay, so I have my bar of soap cut up in my blender. I'm going to grate it down into a kind of a fine powder. I'm taking about a cup of this, of the powdered bleach. I'm going to add it into the soap. It'll just help when I blend it to turn it into the fine powder that I want. Or not super fine, but turn it into the powder that I want to get it to. So I'll go ahead and get that blended up, and then we'll get started on the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so we got this to where we want it to be right now. This is a fine powder, if you can see that right there. And we're going to go ahead and put the rest of this into the bucket, and then we're going to start mixing the ingredients, and it's really super simple. So let me get this in there and we'll get started. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start with the ingredient that I have to measure, and that is our baking soda. And this takes 2 cups that we're going to go ahead and add into this, and this is the only ingredient to this that we have to get measured out. The rest of the ingredients, we're just going to add the entire box of the ingredients. So it's pretty simple, straightforward. Almost there. Okay, 2 cups. In it goes. Now the rest of this, the laundry boost, the rest of the powder bleach, the borax is going to go in the bucket, and then we're going to just go ahead and get it mixed up, and you're good to go. Just so you know, you can put this in a trash bag and dump all the ingredients in the trash bag, shake it up, and then transfer it into another container. But usually you have to cut the bottom of the trash bag, and that's just kind of wasteful, and we really don't want to waste anything now, do we? So we're going to put it in this repurposed paint bucket, because that's going to save us some money, and that's the whole purpose of doing the making our own laundry soap, because that stuff's getting expensive. It's $14 for some liquid detergent that lasts maybe 4 months. So let me go ahead and get everything put in here. We'll mix it up, and then we'll let you see what it looks like at the end. Okay, so this next item I'm going to add this is completely optional. This is a fabric softener, and it smells pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and add about a cup of this into here. Again, this is optional. You do not have to use it. That goes in there. I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on this, get it shaken up, and you can see what it looks like. Okay, so this cost approximately $25 to make the laundry detergent. There at the end I showed you the fabric softener. That added about another $5 to it. Like I said, this is super simple, super effective, super safe, and it's nothing that is going to harm your skin. Now, that bucket we made will last about a year. I'm going to put a link, or not a link, I'm going to put in the description below exactly what we did and how we did it. Like I said, it's super simple, super safe, and you will love this stuff. 1 tablespoon for a load with a high efficiency washing machine, 2 tablespoons if it's not a high efficiency washing machine. But go ahead and play with it. If the clothes are extra grimy, just like you would any other laundry detergent, you will obviously need probably a little bit more, but you can't beat this stuff. Again, thanks for taking the time for watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. This is just another good thing to do. Be a little self-reliant, make some of the stuff yourself. It's really easy. AV Prepping out.